Wealth Wisdom, grow your net worth naturally. Ready to boost your financial future? Let's explore how to grow your net worth organically. Start by living below your means. Save and invest the difference. Automate your savings for consistent growth. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income increases. Focus on appreciating assets, not depreciating ones. Invest in your skills to increase earning potential. Track your net worth regularly to stay motivated. Be patient. Wealth building takes time. Reinvest dividends and interest for compound growth. Minimize debt, especially high-interest consumer debt. Consider starting a side hustle for extra income. Remember, small, consistent actions lead to big results. Stay focused on your long-term financial goals. With these strategies, watch your net worth naturally grow